Let's go and explore the art community in the Philippines, a country where creativity flows like the crystal-clear waters that surround its 7,000 islands. We'll meet 4 fascinating female artists who are making significant impacts on the Philippine art scene. First up is Camille Dela Rosa, known for her evocative and dreamlike paintings. Camille's works often feature ethereal landscapes, mysterious figures, and intricate details. Her use of color and texture creates a sense of otherworldliness, inviting viewers to explore the depths of her imagination. Many of her pieces evoke emotions and memories, blurring the lines between reality and fantasy. Next is Brenda Fajardo. Brenda's work centers on social issues, women's rights, and the colonial history of the Philippines. She delves into the aesthetics of poverty and the art of the people. Her notable tarot card series examines Philippine history, culture, and women's issues. Unlike traditional tarot cards that predict the future, Brenda's cards explore the past, addressing socio-political struggles, colonial history, and ongoing poverty. Our next artist is Valen Valero. Valen is considered one of the most important names among younger modern artists in the Philippines, particularly in the abstract category. Her abstract paintings and sculptures convey a myriad of personal and collective meanings. She creates art that combines writings, numbers, letters, and codes, infusing her pieces with a unique energy. Her abstract works stimulate viewers' minds and hearts, much like electricity powers industries and communities. Valen's art is not purely rational. It emerges from impulses and critical moments during the creative process. Kathleen Sareena Dagum is a multidisciplinary artist who explores various visual materials to narrate social realism. Her themes include the environment, women, culture, social morale, and children's rights. She manipulates forms using wire, paper, used fabric, scrap wood, and metal scraps in her sculptures. Her artworks often reflect introspection and societal observations, serving as a voice for those who lack opportunities to speak. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the vibrant and diverse world of contemporary Filipino female artists. Camille, Brenda, Valen, and Kathleen. Each of them brings a unique voice and vision to the art world, challenging perceptions and inspiring change. Let us know how they inspire you in the comments below. At Mikono Art, we focus on women in the arts, from the timeless elegance of traditional masterpieces to the vibrant pulse of street art and mind-blowing installations. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and join us in applauding the Filipino female art scene. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the artistic world.